Bible never says to pray for the sick the way most Christians do. Most believers pray like this: God, if it's your will you please heal them? Lord, we're asking you to touch them. Father, would you consider healing this person? That's not biblical prayer. That's religious begging. Here's what the Bible actually says: believers will lay their hands and they shall recover. Not might recover, not if it's God who wants them to, it's shall recover. Heal the sick, raise the dead, cast out demons. That's not a request, it's a command. When Jesus prayed for healing, he didn't beg the Father. He spoke to the sickness and commanded the disease to leave. He took authority. Rise up, take up your bed and walk. Be opened, come out of him. Peace, be still. Direct commands, zero begging. It's our responsibility to take that authority. Stop praying if it's your will when he already said it is his will. Follow for more truth. And if you want to learn how to pray for the sick and actually see results,